Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to remove your vehicle's headlights. To begin, gather your essential tools. You will need a T25 Torx screwdriver, ideally with an extension, to reach all the fasteners. A flathead screwdriver is also very helpful for gently prying clips and disconnecting electrical connectors. Make sure your car is parked on a level surface and the engine is off for safety before you start. Next, let's tackle the front grille. First, open your hood to gain access to the top of the grille assembly. You'll find two T25 Torx screws at the top, which you should remove. After these are out, gently press inwards on the clips along the grille's perimeter and carefully pull it upwards and outwards. This step provides crucial access to the headlight mounting points. Now, focus on the headlight itself. There are three main fasteners holding it in place. Start by removing the easily visible T25 Torx screw located at the top corner of the headlight assembly. Then, find and remove the second T25 Torx screw situated at the front center. For the third, slightly pull the bumper cover forward to reveal the hidden T25 Torx screw underneath the headlight, then remove it. With all the screws removed, the final steps are straightforward. Reach behind the headlight assembly and carefully disconnect the electrical wiring harness by pressing its release clip. Once the wiring is free, gently wiggle and maneuver the headlight to clear any surrounding bodywork or clips. Then, with a steady hand, pull the entire headlight assembly straight out from its mounting position. You've successfully removed it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.